Shut this down.
I can shoot fires with my maestros as well.
Oh.
So.
Hello, mother.
Right now,
But I accidentally destroyed one of my fires. You're joking me, I might be cooked. Hello, Adam. Hello, JB.
Wagon.
There's a decoy. Ow.
It just keeps on saying connection failed.
Here. No, they brother drone one of my maestros. No, they're gonna brother drone my maestros, bro.
Oh, they're shooting my fires. Shot one.
Yeah, I'd shoot that fire. Make sure that they can't flank us.
Where's your other maestro?
I'm just using my booster box, but even that's not working.
In sight! Ash in sight!
I can't.
No.
Mate, I just got pinched, man! And Captain's looking at a
It says
bar!
connected. Signed in. I'm connected.
It's not working.
Nope. Should land.
Mate, our teammate's looking at the bar! Strong.
Friendly, last operator standing.
Guys, I switched my LAN cable, so I should be able to reconnect.
It's got your phone.
Op 4, last stop standing.
But my phone. Yeah, no,
Trying to go off the internet off your phone, is it?
no.
Need to reload.
Switch your Xbox on and off again. And it will reboot.
Down to
Did
15
that
seconds.
just say Xbox?
Okay. Yeah.
10 seconds left.
In sight!
Friendly victorious.
Shit on! I just clapped cheeks, bro.